Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 17th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how technical analysis works so that you can make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor. You make your own decisions. You do your own research. Amen. So Palantir stabilized a little bit today, up 8 cents, 0.28%, closed at 28.71. Post-market, we are down 13 cents. Look at what we have here. So we have a very small-bodied candle. So this means that we opened up at 28.66 and we closed at 28.71. It moved a lot during the day, but then it closed almost precisely where it opened. This $29 resistance is in play, so we tried to get out of it, but we could not get out of it, so we came back down. Look at the volume here though. Volume, 182 million shares were exchanged. Yesterday was also a big day and we had 109. A lot of people are exchanging shares of Palantir. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So 9:30 was right here. So we stopped yesterday. We stopped right here, right under 28.61, right under there. The last 3 candles yesterday had a hard time closing above 28.61. We opened above it today. So we were above it today. Then we're pushed down, but never very lower than the low of the first candle. The third candle also was pretty much at the same low. And then we started going. Boom, 4 straight hours going up. So we went above 29. So 29 is an important resistance, and we see it a little bit more clear in the hour chart. So 29, we closed above 29 for 1 hour, and then we went back down. And look at the wick here. The wick just went and touched almost perfectly 28.61. So yes, so this is a decent move, and the fact that the stock is pausing on 29, on 28.61 is a nice sign. Stocks tend to move and pause and move and pull back, move and pull back. This is just a little bit of a pullback here, and maybe some people took some profit after we crossed 29. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. So stochastic at 89, RSI. Look at MACD. Look at how MACD, the 2 lines of MACD are getting separate one from each other. This happens when the stock is making a big move. We have one of the lines of MACD that is going further away, and the other one, which is basically a moving average, is going to have to catch up to it at some point. This is just the regular stuff that we are seeing, and look at how the DMI is behaving with this green line going super high and line going very low. This is one of the reasons why I do the videos the way I do them, is so that you get a physical, organic understanding of how the indicators behave with the movement of the stock. I think this is critical to really understand how the market moves. So great day. Our 31 buck is still on target, because this resistance that we have here means that the stock should encounter a resistance at around $31.50. If it encounters it a little bit later, it might go as high as 32, depending on how fast the stock is going to hit this resistance. But things are going well with Palantir, and if you are a member, this weekend we are going to look at the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir to look at a more longer term outlook. So you need to become a member to see those videos. And if you are on YouTube at the same time as I am recording them, then you can join me and also we can chat. Thank you very much for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. I have also a TradingView affiliate link that you might be interested in, so that you can practice and do your own lines like this. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.